Hey, this is part one of the muscular system quiz. Types of muscle. Let's read the directions. Label each diagram below with the following terms: cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, or smooth muscle. Then answer the questions below. 4. Describe the types of movements in which each type of muscle is involved. 5. In which way are cardiac muscle and smooth muscle similar? 6. Briefly explain what happens as a skeletal muscle contracts. 7. Explain how each type of muscle is involved if a person runs around a track. All right, let's go to part 2. Oh, I'm sorry. The answer to all these questions are on page 146 and 147 in your reading. This is 147, and here's 146. Let's go to part 2. Here's the first question in part 2. Explain the role of each part of bone. All right. Second question. Sorry. The answer to this question right here, first question, is on page 143. Right here. Explains what each part of the bone does. This is question 2. Explain how muscles, ligaments, and tendons work together to move your knee. So what does the muscle do? What is it attached to? What do ligaments do? What are they attached to? And what do tendons do? And what are they attached to? And how do they work together? So which one does each thing that happens when you bend your knee? The answer to these questions are on page. Answer to this question is on page 145. And the last question is, explain how your biceps and triceps contract and relax during flexion and extension. You don't have to talk about what proteins in the muscle work together to make the contraction happen. You just have to explain which muscle is contracting and which one is relaxing to make your arm flex or extend. Uh, if you need more information, or if you want to work outside of class, outside of the reading, you can go to jvsadp.edublogs.org, click on Science 1, go to Muscular System. You can use the Quizlet right here to practice spelling and memorize the vocabulary, or any of these videos. Um, Here are the best ones in English, and these are in Portuguese, Spanish. I think I think these are about the muscular system, but I can't tell, and in French. Okay, good luck.